This course combines strategies to measure the quality of courses and student learning, as it applies to quality of programs and institutional evaluation. Understanding types of assessments and strategies to use multiple measurements to assess the whole student will make assessing student learning more fruitful. The Chapter 8 discussion includes developing backward and forward-looking, authentic, and portfolio assessments. We include an examination of the components of rubric development. A crosswalk chart will demonstrate how to link learning activities with assessment techniques. Finally, there is a discussion of how faculty can use assessment results. Using the best practices of designing face-to-face, blended, and online courses provides opportunities to assess the quality of a course. In Chapter 9, we examine several informal and formal ways to do this. Gathering student feedback in reflection activities and course evaluation surveys are ways to measure what is working and what can be improved to build a stronger course through continuous improvement. Faculty are in the best position to provide academic leadership in program and institutional assessment. Chapter 10 discusses the need to integrate micro to macro levels of assessment, from the student to the course to the program or department to the institution, by providing continuity for quality. Since some programs or departments and all institutions are required to measure their outcomes for accreditation, knowing how your course relates to the curriculum of the program/department and how these align with the institution's mission completes the overall assessment picture.